Today we will learn the 29th practical lesson. This 29th practical lesson is also one of the supportive adabus in classical Bharatha Natyam. Earlier we have learned up to 25 practical lessons. We learned the main adabus with variations. We learned the main adabus with the variations. From the 26th practical lesson onwards, we are learning the supportive adabus. As I have already told you, the supportive adabus are also equally important to the classical Bharatha Natyam. In this 29th practical lesson, we are going to study another category of supportive adabu. This supportive adabu is almost closer to the earlier main adabus. Those adabus were our practical lesson 14, 15 and 16. This particular supportive adabu is almost closer to our earlier practical lessons 14, 15 and 16. Those three practical adabus we studied under the topic of Mahuda adabu or Tirmana adabu. We studied those particular category of adabus under the topic of Mahuda adabu or Tirmana adabu. Different variations of Mahuda adabu or Tirmana adabus we learned. This particular adabu which we are going to study today is the 29th practical adabu, but it is a supportive adabu. This particular supportive adabu is very much closer to those three main category of adabus. This supportive adabu is almost closer to the earlier 14th, 15th and 16th practical level adabus, but those were main adabus, but this is the one is only a supportive adabu. As I have already explained to you, there is supportive adabus in classical Bharatha Natyam also equally important for the Bharatha Natyam. These adabus are linking the main adabus, adabu korves or swara jadi adabus korves, or in between in the Natya also to certain extent. These adabus are being used in classical Bharatha Natyam. This particular adabu is recognized by the name Tei 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 adabu. This supportive adabu is known as Tei 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 adabu. As I have already in my previous lessons have explained to you, except the main adabus, the supportive adabus are being recognized by the name of the syllable only. The name of the syllable. Syllable means in Tamil Sollukattu. Tei Tei Ditti Tei. Tei Tei Ditti Tei. The syllable for this adabu is Tei Tei Ditti Tei. Tei Tei Ditti Tei. This particular adabu is also always being recognized by Tei Tei Tititei Adabu in classical Bharatha Natyam. It is a supportive adabu. These supportive adabus are linking adabus in Bharatha Natyam. It is almost linking the adabus or adabu codeways in classical Bharatha Natyam. It must be in the nirta or it must be in the nirtya. We can use it both in nirta and nirtya for the need and necessity of the classical Bharatha Natyam. Now I will explain to you the footwork, foot positions, leg work and leg movements for this adabu. I will explain to you the footwork, foot positions, leg work and leg movements for this particular adabu. As I have already told you, for this adabu, the syllable is Tei Tei Tititei. Tei Tei Tititei. First of all, as usual, we have to adapt the arrangement sthana position with Alida Mandala foot position. It would be like this. Tei, Tei, the Tei, 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 the Tei, 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 the Tei, Tei, the Tei. We are adapting the Alida Mandala Sthana position with arrangement Sthana body position. We are taking the right leg behind the left leg by putting the Swastika Mandala Sthana position. See, this is the arrangement position with Alida Mandala foot position. I am taking the right leg and adapting the Swastika Mandala foot position for my right leg and keeping it behind the left leg. See, Tei, Tei, this, Tei. For the left side, I am adapting the Swastika Mandala foot position. I am taking the left leg behind the right leg and adapting the Swastika Mandala foot position. Tei, Tei, Tei. For Diti Tei, I am stretching this right leg for the right side. When I do the right side, I am adapting the right leg out. See, this is called Prinkana Mandala Sthana position. This foot position is called Prinkana Mandala Sthana position. So you can see for this particular adabu, we are adapting Alida Mandala Sthana foot position, Swastika Mandala Sthana foot position and Prinkana Mandala Sthana foot position. This is Prinkana Mandala Sthana foot position. Already you have learned this Prinkana Mandala Sthana position in numerous our earlier lessons. Also learn the Swastika Mandala Sthana position. See, this is Alida Mandala Sthana position. Whenever we adapt the arrangement Sthana position, in the initial stages, we are always adapting the Alida Mandala Sthana position. Not always, mostly we are adapting the Alida Mandala Sthana position. Then Swastika Mandala Sthana. This also we adapted it earlier. And other one is Prinkana Mandala Sthana position. three important foot positions are being adapted for this adabu. I will explain to you how to do this adabu in both sides. I will explain to you the step right side as well as for the left side. It will be like this. Tei, tei, the tei, 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 the tei, 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 the tei, 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 the tei. This is the adabu. Separately we learn how to do the adabu with what are the foot positions, foot movements, leg work and leg positions. Now we continuously learn how to do the right side as well as the left side. Now I will explain to you the hand gestures which we are going to use for this adabu. We are adapting Katakamukam, Alapadumam and Patakam. Three main hand gestures we are adapting. One is Katakamukam, other one is Alapadumam, other one is Patakam. Three main important hand gestures are being used for this particular adabu. I will illustrate you how to do. First of all, I will show you the right side right set, and then I will explain to you the left side left set. It would be like this. This is the Arambasthana position. Arambasthana position means the initial stage. It would be like this. Tei, tei, the tei, 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 the tei, 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 the tei, 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 the tei. Once again, I will explain to you how to coordinate the foot position, foot movements with hand gestures and hand positions. It would be like this. Initial position, it is called the Arambasthana position. Patakam with Katakam Mukam. I am doing for the right side, right side. Tei, tei, the tei, 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 the tei, 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 the tei, 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 the tei. When we do the sides, for instance, when we do the right side, we have to bend to the right side a little. See? Tei. I am bending to the right side. I am bending to the right side. When we do the which side we are doing, that side, our body must slightly bend to that side. See? Tei, tei,